Bitcoin only cause I got that mad cheddar. Bitches and Bitcoin go so good together. Make it rain with Bitcoin cause I like it way better.
Good evening, folks. This is Shaibu Mama, and welcome to Crypto Mama's channel. Today is Sunday once again, actually Sunday evening, and I'm here to break down the chart for you on what you should expect for this trading week. And the pair we are using for this breakdown is USDCHF. And as usual, I always begin my analysis with marking the previous week high and the previous week low. But when you look at the overall nature of what is happening in the market, you can see this high here was swept by this week. So all those stop losses above this high were taken out, and it was actually a liquidity, because after that event, after the market taking out those stop losses as liquidity, you can see the market created a very huge candle to the downside, and that particular candle, only one candle has even covered even about 2 months movement. So that can actually tell you the momentum behind this move to the downside. So it's basically telling that we should expect the market to trade down, and areas we expect the market to trade down to is this first area. Those are our areas of interest. So let's go to the daily. All right, when you come to the daily, everything becomes very interesting in the daily. That has formed this information, and I told you, anytime you see an information, you expect the market to trade back to the neckline. This area here, the neckline here, is our area of interest for the market to trade up to that level as at the moment. So the neckline is the area we expect the market to get to before we can take the market to the downside. When you also take your Fibonacci from this high to this low, you can see that key area we are interested in is above our 50% retracement. So that means that we are in a premium market. It's at a premium market. When you are trading, you want to be selling above 50%, that is the premium level, and you want to also be buying below 50%, that is the discount level. So we have all this huge move to the upside as an order block, but when you want to refine it, this is the area you will refine that order block to. But we don't expect the market to get to the order block. We expect the market to stop here because of the neckline of the W. So from here, we'll go into our intraday time frame. We'll go into our hourly time frame. We already know this week we expect the market to trade to this level. So this is where we expect the market to trade to for this week or for the next coming weeks before any leg to the downside happens. So let's go to the hourly chart. And the hourly, what we are going to do in the hourly is mark our Sunday candle opening. And our Sunday opening is here. This is our Sunday candle. And the reason why we are marking a Sunday candle is that it serves as our reference point for trading. If the market should trade above last week, if we should have the market the reason for marking the Sunday candle is that it serves as our reference point for trading. If we should trade above last week high, let's say we trade up to this level, we expect the market to come back to the Sunday candle opening before going overall it to hit our target that we want the market to go to. So what we are actually going to be looking at is two things. First, for the market to first trade above the previous week high, or the market to make a retracement to these areas here, where we can also look for areas of interest around this region to take the trade. So around this region, we can be looking for areas of interest, like we'll take our Fibonacci from here, this high to this high, sorry, this low to this high, and we'll be looking at this area here as our first point of interest, and as well as this area here as our second point. So we will only be interested in these regions if the market has not broken above and traded above the weekly high. If we see the market broke above the last week high, we do not expect the market to come back to this region before going back to our zone. If the market trade above, we expect the market to come back to our Sunday candle and trade up. But if the market doesn't break above it and melt down to this level, we can also be looking for long opportunities at these areas to the upside. So thank you for watching. This is basically what we expect on USDCHF for the week going forward. We expect the week to be bullish, but before the week even get bullish, there are certain things that need to be done. If the market trade to this region or to this region, this is where we are looking to take our trade to go and mitigate the M pattern we saw in the daily time frame. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in another video to break down the chart on what is happening as the week progresses. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are new here.